Today, there are 497,904 children, teenagers, and youth and adults with disability. So the deaf community is already in Malaysia is increasing, and the deaf people includes the B40 were estimated about 32,000. My name is Cindy Leong. I'm the founder for the Silent Teddy Bakery. Our main objective is to operate sustainable long-term project that can bring income to help the disabled. Our main objective is also to provide employment opportunity to the deaf, as well as provide skill training to them. The disability of a deaf is invisible, and a large number of them in our country has been untrained, unskilled, and unemployed. The public does not understand their culture, and the communication is a great barrier to them. In order to solve these challenges, we came up with a solution that Silent Teddy will become a vehicle of change for these deaf people. We started a bakery, and from there we have trained more than 100 over deaf youth in our center in baking and other sectors of work. We have helped to improve these beneficiaries to have a better standards of living, train and employ with at least above the minimum wages. At the same time, we have promoted deaf awareness among employers, partners, stakeholders, and the public. The importance of communications between the deaf and the hearing. Now, many of the companies are starting to employ these deaf in their workplace, which has helped us to expand our current business model, managing B2B as well as B2C, increasing our visibility through social media, and it helps our operation growth, increase manpower and equipment to supply to our demand, and to become a proper bakery. This program has given me the opportunity to see a true side of SE, and also boosted the SE in their skills that they have learned to create a long-term and sustainable impact, not only economically but socially continuous support in nation growth.